No, give me certain choice. Bones. I finally sorted the top of this chest of drawers. That has needed sorted literally since we moved into this flat, but I kind of hate it. Like, I just don't really like it very much, but I don't know what else to do, so I'm just gonna leave it for now, because at least it looks better than before. But we had planned on doing like a bit of a gallery wall here, but who knows if we'll ever end up actually doing that. But I am really tired now, so I'm about to go for a shower and just relax for the evening. But I wanted to give you a little haul because I went to Boots earlier with my sister and I picked up a few things. I did have like a huge list on my phone of all these things I was going to buy, and I was going to do a haul and it was going to be great. And then I got there and everything was really expensive, and I realized that I did not need a lot of the stuff that I had on my list. So I picked up a few things and thought I would show you. None of it is extremely exciting, but I don't know, maybe you want to see it anyway. So first thing was I picked up this new face wash. This is the one I always use, the CeraVe SA smoothing cleanser, and it works fine on my skin. I then picked up some interdental brushes. I've got like a, what do you call it, like a brace behind my top and bottom teeth, like a one you can't take out and stuff, and I can't use floss, so I'm using these. I'm so tired, my brain is just like not working. I picked up some razors. I usually use the Estrid ones, but the top of them, oh my god, this is like such a disaster, I can't even get my words out. The interchangeable heads are kind of expensive, and as we've already established, I did not want to spend a lot of money today, so I just picked these up in the meantime, and at some point I might pick up the Estrid heads, but they're quite pricey to be honest. And then the last thing I got was this evening primrose oil. I was looking for magnesium because I'd heard it was good for like mood swings and balancing out your hormones, which I need, but they didn't have any. So I got these. This was in the menopause section, but I looked it up and it said that it's also really good for PMS symptoms apparently, so I'm hoping it works. But these capsules are also absolutely huge. But yeah, I'm gonna now go for a shower and just relax a bit. I want to make a nice dinner, and then I want to show you at some point my heatless curls that I have been doing recently. quite early right now and I'm gonna go on a little solo walk. I am a bit nervous, I don't really like doing stuff like this, but I need to push myself and I feel like it'll be good for my mental health, which I kind of need right now. So I'm gonna go on a walk. I don't know where I'm gonna go, probably won't be out for too long, but I'm gonna put on a podcast, which I don't really know what one I'm gonna listen to because I don't really listen to podcasts. Or maybe I'll just listen to some music or something and like walk to the botanics. I'm not sure, but hopefully this will be okay. I'm sure it will be. Okay, I'm gonna listen to this podcast that Danny has recommended on this book, which I read, called The Time Machine, which is a really good book. I'll probably get bored, to be honest, with this podcast, but I'll listen to it and see how it is. And if not, I'll just put on some music. It is so warm right now. I was not expecting it to be this hot, but I really don't want to take my jumper off. It is very warm in the sun. I have just had a shower and I'm about to go and meet my mum for a coffee. I also really need to clean this mirror, but I just have this outfit on. I'm not sure if this top is very flattering on me because it's like a wee bit big, so I'm not sure, but I'm just wearing this with some trousers. Nothing too crazy, but I did not know what to wear and I haven't worn this top yet. I got it from a charity shop. I also was really struggling to style this top. I wanted to wear a skirt, but I just felt like none of them looked very nice. While I was out with my mum, we went to a charity shop and she very kindly bought me a present. She bought me this mirror. I really liked it and I thought it'd be really nice in a flat, and we actually don't own like any of the mirrors in our flat, and I really liked how kind of like antique and old it looked. So she got me this. Very, very nice. I think we'll probably put this maybe somewhere in the living room. But yeah, I really like this and we'll be able to keep this for like years and years. So yeah, I didn't get anything else, I didn't really see anything, but right now I'm just actually about to make some lunch, even though I'm not very hungry, but I haven't had lunch yet, so I'm gonna make something, and then this evening we're going to our friend's house for some drinks. So I'm very excited for that, so I'm gonna take my makeup off and completely redo it and stuff. But yeah, I've had a very busy day, but I've actually really enjoyed it and I quite liked my walk earlier. It felt nice to get outside and get a bit of exercise because I haven't exercised in a long time.
Delete this! POV, your girlfriend's an uggo.
You turned away with a hint of a smile, as if I could read your mind. I wanted to say
I think we're trying music, is it not?
I don't know who either of us before.
It's in December.
Yeah, we are. Oh yeah! That's just recorded. Just girls! Oh, it's such good quality. Like, it's so good. See, when I was in London, I swear I felt like this. I saw.
They're small, it's okay.
Okay. Hi, everyone.
Oh, dude, you did one, y'all.
Play! Oh, play!
Oh, that
I would. You would have played it, yeah.
You would have one.
You need to play a little
lost
quicker.
in your eyes.
That was on you. But why?
It is a very gloomy and rainy day, so I've put on my pumpkin jumper. My hair's a bit of a mess, but now I'm gonna go and make some cookies. So I saw this video on TikTok and I'm gonna make these cookies, which I think from my research are these cookies from Sweden. The recipe's slightly more simple, but I think that they're inspired by these. So just gonna make these. It seems quite easy. That's literally all you need. And then jam for the middle. Why will this camera not focus?
Here's better.
Thank you.
And
Hello.
your head.
There we go.
And your head.
Oh my gosh, okay, let's see if this is exactly how. Moment of truth. Down.
Is it not?
No.
Too much too little?
Too little.
By how much?
6 grams.
That's not bad.
This evening we are off to see Barbie. I'm so excited. It literally came out over a week ago, but we've been quite busy. We've been fully booked, so we haven't had a chance to go see it. But I'm so excited. I've obviously got pink on. Had to do it. I love Barbie. I'm really excited. But I feel like it's gonna be kind of sad.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of people cry, and I've seen people be like grew up watching Barbie and playing with Barbies and stuff. It's kind of emotional, so I'm quite excited. Hopefully they'll cry, and hopefully in a few days we'll be able to see Oppenheimer as well, because I'm also obviously very excited to see that. But we want to see it at the IMAX, and it's been like booked out for a while, so
I think IMAX was a little bit smaller as well.
I think it is.